Ce n'est pas en vain que Maison cette soupire. Et même dans cette maison, on le trace légère ou profonde.
I'm Robert Hayward. I'm singing Roderick Usher in the Debussy Fall of the House of Usher. It's an extraordinary project, really, because it's an incomplete opera that's been completed by Robert Orledge, based on Debussy's outlines. You know, he wrote, I think Debussy wrote all the text, but a lot of the music has had to be created. Roderick Usher is he's a very troubled man. I mean, he comes from this huge sort of lineage, I think. You know, you feel this great weight of history behind him. And also this terrible baggage of sadness and death, which I think he carries around with him. So I think he's very much a man that it's almost like he's part of the house. I feel he's part of the building, and that he exists because the building is still upright. But as you hear in the story, there is this crack going through the middle of the building, which eventually is going to collapse, and the whole house is going to fall into the swamp. Really, it's not a happy story, but I think it's a very dramatic piece. There's no doubt about that. Musically, it's extremely well put together, and I think the combination of characters, the other members of the Doctor, the friend, and Madeline herself, we all knit together to produce a very dramatic story.
Depuis des siècles, s'en va diriger